Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to host a live stream on Buzzcast. It's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is of course open the Buzzcast app and log into your account. Next, you want to just click on this record icon at the bottom area of your screen. Alright, so once you click on that, the next thing you want to do is to set a live title. At the top area, you're going to see where you can actually do that. So go ahead and set a live title. For example, I'll set this as the live title. Next, you want to do is to set a live cover. Alright, you can see that at the bottom left corner. Just click on that camera icon and then you can take a photo or select from your album. Right, so once you do that one, the next thing you want to do now is to select your live tag. You can see that at the top area of your screen. Just select a live tag. For example, I will select chat and I will select make friends, and then I will click on confirm. All right, so after that, next thing you want to do is to decide the kind of live you want to do. We have the normal live stream, we have party, we have voice chat. All right, so depending on the one you want. So for example, we're going to go with live, so I'll have that selected at the bottom area. It's selected by default. All right, so I have that selected and then I'll click on go live, though you can still choose to add filter if you want. All right, but I don't want to add that, so I'll just go click on the go live button and then I'll be live on Buzzcast. So that's it guys on how to actually go live on Buzzcast. Make sure you set up your live cover, because if you don't, you won't be able to go live. All right, so that's it guys. Hope this guide is helpful. You now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.